Students, now discuss the topic is multiple alleles, human blood groups. Students, firstly, one gene with two alleles, one gene having two forms. These are called alleles, one gene with two alleles. Okay, present on same locus of pair of homologous chromosomes. Student, homologous chromosomes means these are similar. These are similar type of the chromosomes, same type of the chromosomes. Okay, student. On the locus of homologous chromosomes, two alleles are present. Okay, one of the gene is present in the form of two alleles. These alleles are present on locus of homologous chromosomes. Okay, one gene with two alleles. For example, one gene with two alleles. Okay, that having three genotypes. Okay. Because of presentation of the two alleles, that causes the appearance of the presentation of the three genotypes in diploid organisms. Diploid organisms means the cells are diploid, having two sets of the chromosomes in the cell. Okay, if you observe the karyotype of this cell, karyotype means a chromosome complement of this cell is called karyotype. Okay, student. Another, one gene more than two alleles, student, that is called multiple alleles. One gene with more than two alleles. Okay, normally one gene with two alleles. But another conditions, one of the gene more than two alleles, that is called multiple alleles. It is the phenomenon present in the population. It is the phenomenon, that is presentation of the multiple alleles is called multiple allelism. Student, for example, capital T, small t are two alleles for one gene. Okay, these are the two alleles, capital T, small t are the alleles for one gene with two alleles, because of one is the small t, another one is the capital T. Okay, next genotype, if you observe capital T and capital T, small t and small t, these are the genotypes. One gene with two alleles, and at the same time it is there is a possibility of the three genotypes. These are the alleles, these are the genotypes, three genotypes. Okay, student. Okay, these are, by the presentation of these alleles, the organism shows the different types of the phenotypic characters, morphological characters based on these. Okay, this cannot observe, this is the multiple allelism, cannot observe in the genotype of the individuals. Observation is possible only within the population. Okay, you have the multiple alleles, number of the multiple alleles, and by the number of the multiple alleles you also obtain or estimates the number of the genotypes. Okay, by the expression of the, by the formula of the n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n is equal to number of the multiple alleles. For example, students, multiple alleles are 2 in number. N is equal to 2. Okay, student. Number of the multiple alleles, n is equal to number of the multiple alleles. Okay, it is written with 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 into 3 by 2, 6 by 2. Okay, student. Answer is 3. The genotypes are 3 in number. Okay, 3 is the genotypes. Okay, if the alleles, number of the alleles are 2, how many genotypes are present? 3 genotypes are present. Okay, next ABO blood types. ABO blood types. Number of the multiple alleles, if you know, and number of genotypes is estimated by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, student. N is replaces with the number of multiple alleles. Next, which one is the best example to studying multiple alleles or multiple alleles? ABO blood types, proposed by Karl Landsteiner. ABO blood groups. AB, A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group. These are proposed by Landsteiner. Okay, and because of his observation, Karl Landsteiner is also awarded with the Nobel Prize. Okay, in physiology or the medicine in 1930. In the year of 1930, Karl Landsteiner is also awarded with Nobel Prize in medicine. Okay, A, B, O, these are the blood types. These are the blood types also called phenotypes. Phenotype means that is the character for blood group. Okay, phenotype it is also called. It is the one of the character by the gene. Okay, next by the presence of absence of the antigens on membrane of a red blood cell. Student, okay, this is the phenotypic character A blood group, B blood group, based on the presence of the antigen on the membrane of red blood cell. Student, if you observe the red blood cell, membrane of the red blood cell, membrane, this is the membrane of the red blood cell. Okay, that shows the antigens. These are the antigens, students. These are the antigens present on the membrane of RBC. Which type of the antigen present on the RBC that gives the different types of the blood group? Okay, antigen A, antigen B. These are the antigens are 2 types present on the membrane of red blood cell. Okay, antigen A one type, antigen B another type. 2 antigens, antigen A, antigen B on the RBC, plasma membrane of RBC. Student, what about these antigens? These are blood group antigens only. Okay, carbohydrate groups, antigens are carbohydrate groups or sugar polymers. These are the sugar polymers, carbohydrate groups or sugar polymers, and bond to the lipid molecules. Bond to the lipid molecules present on the membrane of RBC and slightly extend to the outside from the membrane of the RBC, surface of the RBC cell. Okay, student. Okay, slightly exposed to outside. Okay, present on the surface of the red blood cell. These are the antigens. These are carbohydrate groups or sugar polymers. Okay, these are the antigens also called isoagglutinogen. Isoagglutinogen antigens, blood group antigens present on RBC also called isoagglutinogen. Why these are called isoagglutinogen? Because blood cell agglutination, blood cells present in the body fluids, blood goes to agglutination. Okay, student, in case of incompatible blood transfusions, in case of incompatible transfusion of the blood, These are the blood cells goes to the agglutination or the clot. Okay, student, these are ends. These are called isoagglutinogen. Isoagglutin causes agglutination. These are the antigens causes agglutination in case of incompatible transfusion of the blood. Hence, these are the antigen be called isoagglutinogen. Okay. Next, Bernstein. What about the role of the Bernstein in study about the ABO blood groups in human blood groups? Okay, which are the best example for multiple allelism? Bernstein, another scientist, phenotypes inherit by interact of three autosomal alleles of gene I. Okay, student, blood groups present in the individuals of human beings. This is the one of the character, phenotypic character. Individual shows A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, O blood group. This is one of the phenotypic character by the presentation of the gene. That is, the gene is I. I is the gene, student. I is the gene. Okay, and this is the gene with three alleles. This is the gene with three autosomal alleles. Autosomal alleles. Chromosome is the autosomal chromosome. That is, the gene locates on the locus, present on the locus of the ninth chromosome. Ninth chromosome. Ninth chromosome is the autosome. It is not a allosome or sex chromosome. Student, chromosome is ninth chromosome. Gene is I. I is the gene with three alleles. Okay, three alleles. Okay, because of presentation of the three alleles, how many genotypes are produced or obtained by the formula of n into n plus 1 by 2? Student, in this, 6 genotypes are obtained. 6 genotypes are obtained. Okay, antibodies. Now, what about the antibodies? Antibodies, that means these are antibodies are two types. These are, students, blood group antibodies. These are blood group antibodies. Antibodies are present in plasma. This is very, very important. Antigens present on the plasma membrane of red blood cell. Antibodies present in the plasma of blood. These are two types: anti-A, anti-B antibodies. Anti-A antibody, anti-B antibody. These are called isoagglutinins. These are called isoagglutinins. Antigens are called isoagglutinogens. Okay, student. These are called isoagglutinogens, antigens. Antibodies called isoagglutinins. Okay. These are IgM type of antibodies. Antibodies are different type. From this, these are the antibodies. The blood group antibodies are IgM type based on the structure. Next, cause agglutination. Why these are called isoagglutinins? Cause agglutination reaction. These are the antibodies cause agglutination reaction in the blood. Okay, with antigen of another individual. Antigen of another individual. Okay, student, these are the antibodies. Antibodies reacts with the antigens, okay, of the another individual and causes the agglutination, because called isoagglutinins. The gene, I is the gene with three alleles. Three alleles, student, IA, IB, IO. Okay, IO also called I. Student, IA allele it is causes the production of the antigen A. Antigen A. Students, antigens are two types. Antigens are two types. Antigen A, antigen B. IA, it is causes the production of the antigen A. IB, it is causes the production of the antigen B. Okay, IO, this is not causes the production of the antigens. Okay, IO, there is no antigens. There is no antigens. Okay, student, it is not responsible for the production of the any type of antigens. No antigens. IO, no antigens. Okay, students, IAIB, child receive IA from one parent, IB from another parent. Okay, student, IAIB. Student, these are dominant to IO. Dominant to IO. Okay, student, for example, one of the child receives IA from the mother parent, and this is the allele from the mother parent, and another one is from the father. From the father. In these two alleles, which one of the blood group is shows by the individual or the child in these two types of the characters, two types of the alleles? Student, at the same time, the individual shows the A blood group. A blood group. Okay. A blood group. Okay, student, because IA is the dominant to IO. Okay, student, IA is the dominant to IO because that is the child is shows the A blood group. Okay, same student, IA, IB dominant to IO and co-dominant to each other. Student, at the same time, IA is from the mother, IB is from the father. Okay, child receives this type of the alleles from the parents. IA is the one, IB is the one. At the same time, this child shows the AB blood group. AB blood group. Okay, because co-dominant to each other. Co-dominant to each other. Student, AB blood group is present in that individuals. IA, IB dominant to IO and co-dominant to each other. Student, child receive one allele from the each parent give rise to 6 possible genotypes and 4 phenotypes. 4 phenotypes. Student, already you know, I is the gene, 3 alleles, IB, IA, IB, IO. By the presentation of the 3 alleles, 6 genotypes are produces. 6 possible genotypes. Gives 6 possible genotypes. Which are the genotypes? One is the IAIA and IAI and IBIB and IBI, IAIB and IOIO. Okay, these are 6 possible genotypes. And how many phenotypes? And at the same time gives rise to 4 phenotypes. Which are the phenotypes? Which type of the blood group shows by the individual? That is called phenotypes. 4 types of the possible phenotypes. One is the A blood group, another one is B blood group, and the AB blood group, and the O blood group. These are the 4 possible phenotypes.